it's your girl Muthoni Kariuki back with another lit video as usual. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe, it really supports my channel. If you're a regular supporter, thank you so much for your love and for your support. It means the world. As you can see, today we are making banana ice cream, or so-called banana ice cream. And the first step is actually to peel the bananas one by one carefully and removing all the strings. The second step is to cut the banana into small cubes. Do we call them cubes? They're not actually cubes, but just chop the bananas into thick slices. Yes, exactly. Slice the bananas. Slice the bananas into thick slices, and you will see why we're using thick slices as the video progresses. As you can see, that's how the thickness should be of the bananas, so make sure you cut them like that and not thinly. The next step will be to put the bananas in a container, or if you have a Ziploc bag that works the same way, it's preferably like that, but whichever container is good with you. And now the next step will be to seal the container completely. Make sure no air enters into it. And the next step will actually to refrigerate the bananas for 3 to 4 hours. And here we are, the bananas are straight from the freezer 3 to 4 hours later. And the next step will actually be putting them into a blender. If you have a food processor, it works the same way, or a grinder works the same way. Now we are going to just add a quarter cup, or even less, a third of a cup of milk into the bananas. We don't want to make the consistency like light. We want something very thick, so that's why we're putting less milk into it. And as you can see, crush it until it forms a paste. And into a container, add the paste there, whichever container of your choice, in whatever shape you want it to come out in is okay. So we're just going to seal the container, and yeah, we'll put it back into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours as well. Or if you want a much better consistency like this one, I left mine overnight, which actually turned out amazing. You can also use sauce. This is actually a homemade sauce it's a butterscotch sauce that I made myself in the house. You could use it if you're a sweet tooth, or just eat it the way it is. This is actually very healthy ice cream, very pure, with only 2 ingredients. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.